In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Fireflies AI support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account and how to start a conversation that gets you quick, helpful answers while you're using the app. First, make sure you're logged in to your Fireflies.ai dashboard. This is the main home base where you manage your meetings, notes, and settings. Being on the dashboard matters because support is built right into this space, so you can ask for help without leaving what you're working on. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace and on a stable internet connection, so messages send and receive smoothly. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a small chat icon, often a speech bubble. That's your doorway to support. It's placed there intentionally so it doesn't interrupt your work, but is always within easy reach. When you're ready, click the icon to open the chat panel. With the panel open, you can start a message to the support team. Keep your note friendly, clear, and specific. Briefly explain what you're trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If you're seeing an error, include the exact wording, and mention where in the app you noticed the issue, like on a specific meeting note or settings page. Adding a quick timeline, such as when it started or whether it happens every time, helps the team pinpoint the cause faster. If the chat window allows, sharing a screenshot can add helpful context. This in-app chat is great for quick help and guidance while you're using the app. You don't have to switch tabs or draft emails. You can ask a question, get suggestions, and keep moving. You may receive immediate tips or automated suggestions to get you unstuck while a specialist reviews your message. Stay in the conversation to reply with any follow-up details they request, and remember not to paste sensitive information like passwords or API keys. That's the process. Log in to your Fireflies.ai dashboard, look for the chat icon at the bottom right, click it, and start your message. It's simple, fast, and designed to support you right where you work. Whenever you need clarification, have a quick how-to question, or run into a hiccup, the chat is the most direct way to get help and keep your workflow on track. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to contact Fireflies AI support with confidence.